Hi everyone, it's Laura here for SugarPea Designs, and in today's video we're going to take a look at all the beautiful products that were released in September 2019. First, we're going to take a look at the Sweet as a Pie stamp set. This one here is perfect for your fall and Thanksgiving cards. It has images of pies as well as of pumpkins and smaller images as well, including an apple, lemon, cherries, and also holly berries and a candle. Some of the sentiments are great for your Thanksgiving cards, but there are also everyday type of sentiments like life is what you bake it or pie like you very much, which is really funny. And also you have two more sentiments which feature this beautiful scripty font, which I find really gorgeous. The set comes with coordinating dies that can be purchased separately and will cut out all your images. And then there is the Cutie Pie Die Set. This is a standalone die set, but the designs match very closely the designs on the Sweet as a Pie stamp set. Here you can see them side by side, and you even have a die that will cut the word pie in that same beautiful font that you have on the stamp set, and also a die that cuts the outline of the word pie. The next set is really adorable. It's called Gnome for Christmas, and it features images of these cute and funny gnomes. You have a sleigh as well and some Christmas trees, a coffee mug, a present. There is a lantern there at the top, and then you have a nice range of holiday themed sentiments. And this set comes with coordinating dies too. Another really cute set in this release is the Dije Winter stamp set. This featured that same adorable bear that we've seen already in the past two releases, but this time the set is winter themed, so you have a number of accessories like the Christmas trees, the hat, we have some presents, then we have a little scarf there at the top. So this stamp set will definitely be great for your winter cards, but it features also sentiments that you can use for any occasions, like sending bear hugs. There is also a happy birthday to you sentiment there at the top. So if you use the bear images without the winter accessories, you can use this stamp set all year around. And like the other sets that I've shown so far, this one has a set of matching dies that will die cut out all your images. A nice and large sentiment is really helpful when creating Christmas cards, especially if you have to make a lot of them. And the Also Jolly stamp set features 4 different sentiments with this really gorgeous and elegant scripty font. We have Merry and Bright, Also Jolly, Merry Christmas, and Joy to the World. And then there is the image of holly berries and holly leaves in 2 different sizes that you can use to add some more decorative elements to your cards. The last stamp set in the release is the Buffalo Check background stamp. This is a larger 6x6 stamp with a beautiful plaid pattern. I think this will be great for your winter cards as well as for your fall cards, and personally I can't wait to use this one. The September release includes 2 different stencils. This first one here is called Snowflake Stencil, and it features this geometric design with snowflakes. This will create some really gorgeous backgrounds on your cards, and you can use it, for example, with some glimmer paste to create a very nice and sparkly background. The second stencil is called Falling Snow, and as the name suggests, it will allow you to create the effect of a snowfall on your cards. Again, you can use this with your inks, with your texture pastes, and some members of the design team also use them to dry emboss their card backgrounds, which was a really nice effect. It is now time to take a look at the dies and get ready because they are really beautiful. This first one here is called Joy, and it die cuts the word joy as well as the outline around it. And there is a second die which is very similar but die cuts the word merry and a speech bubble around it too. This die set here is called Christmas Car, and it will die cut a car, a tree, some presents, some Christmas ornaments as well as the tires for the car. And I think personally this will be really great to create some quick and beautiful Christmas cards, also when used together with those sentiment dies that I showed before, or also with the Oh So Jolly stamp set. The next die is called Snow Globe, and it's really beautiful and perfect for any winter and Christmas cards. It will help you build a snow globe. So we have 4 different dies in this set. The circular die will help you cut out the snow globe, and it also has a heel at the bottom. Then you have a die that will die cut out the base of the snow globe, and one that will die cut a label where you can place your sentiment, for example. That die there at the top will help you create a snowfall in your snow globe. You could, for example, die cut this out of some dark cardstock, and then by layering with some white cardstock, you will immediately have the effect of snow falling in your snow globe. And this die is also great for shaker cards. The next die set is the Floral Pocket Tag, and this is great for the upcoming Christmas season because this will create a tag with a pocket where you can insert a gift card, but this can be used all year around whenever you want to gift somebody a gift card. The larger die will die cut out your tag, and you can then fold your die cut onto itself, glue the 2 pieces together thanks to those little tabs, and there you will have your pocket tag, which you can then decorate with all those floral die cuts that you will obtain thanks to the smaller dies in the set. And speaking of decorating your tag and of Christmas, we have the Pocket Tag Christmas characters, which can be seen as an add-on set to the Floral Pocket Tag. All these die cuts will allow you to create a little Santa, a penguin, a reindeer, and a snowman. And you can use these cute characters to decorate your floral pocket tag, but I think this will look great on cards as well. So this is another great and really versatile die set from this release. The last die from this release is the leaf cover plate, which will allow you to create some really beautiful background with these die cut leaves. Or you could use it with an embossing mat to create a dry emboss effect on your backgrounds. I have seen some really beautiful samples from the design team where this has been used both on Christmas cards and on fall cards too. And that's it for the September 2019 release by SugarPea Designs. You will find links to the SugarPea Designs store in the description box down below in case you're interested in any of these products. And also make sure to subscribe and to follow us on social media for more inspiration from the design team. Thank you all so much for stopping by, and have a great day.